Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Iminagi ingane amakhehla madala, amakhehla makhulu, amakhehla mahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. And to the ones that are always here, the permanent gang, siyabonga, siyabonga, siyabonga as pays. In my comment section, I've been seeing people asking me about praying, and when they start praying, they feel this presence. In my other videos, I've explained this, but I feel like I need to explain again. So when you pray and then you suddenly feel this energy, you know, it feels like you want to open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Do not open your eyes. Continue to pray up until you make peace with the energy that is around you. Because of most of the time, you will just feel this energy. Sometimes you even feel like there's something that is just looking at you, or someone is looking at you. But you need not to stop, because of you stopping, you are just delaying the whole process of you. So immediately when you feel this energy, you continue to pray. You continue to pray. You continue to pray. You don't even have to open your eyes. You continue to pray, because of when I started, I felt this energy, and in a way that sometimes I wouldn't even close the door. I would just open it and just pray. But I've gotten to a space where I just pray, I close the door, and whatever energy that is just going to come near me, I'm just gonna show up, because of God shows you a lot of things. You don't have to sleep in order for you to see things. In prayer, you see people who are against you. In prayer, you see things. God shows you things. And villages of Tusa, but you just need to be strong. And and I will face them. Because of trust me, you know, when you close your eyes, ujula. Ubona maqiniso, ubona inkinga zakho. And to the people who don't pray, or you don't necessarily see inkinga zakho, because if inkinga ziqala spiritual, for you to understand ukuthi why kwenzakala so, anguthola umsebenzi, or ngiyawuthola ngiyabamba, like, or anything that just is troubling you, you'd always rush for a consultation. You don't need to rush for a consultation. You praying and ujula uznikezela, God shows you. uNkulunkulu uyakubonisa ukuthi nayi into ekubambezelayo. Pray more and fight the situation, and uzibona ke uflourisha, yonke into yakho ihamba kahle. So to the person phakamelwa yingilosi, yeka ukusaba, because of when I started, to be quite honest, I would pray, then my voice changes, or sometimes I voice ambevele nje ishe iphume kancane. So after praying, uzoza nje ngithi like I voice ishile. People will be amazed ukuthi hayibo I voice yasha kangaka, kwenzakalani bo setshwaleni, bekwenzakalani? Kanti no, that was me getting, like, growing in the spirit, because of bengizokhuleka kahle ngingasho ukuthini, my voice chakra beyingakavuleki kahle. But the more you grow, the more ivuleka nangaphakathi uyavuleka. And ingilosi mayiphakama vele, you will feel ukuthi abantu abadala basebenza ngawe. Even ngaphakathi, you will feel things inside of you. Uzwe ukuthi hayi man, kukhona okungathi kuyamuva, kukhona okungathi kuyamuva. Because other people also said that they have a tingling feeling in their tummies. But most of those people, like, it's water spirit babies. Abantu abaney'ngilosi zasemanzini, iy'ngilosi zabo zi-communicator more often with their umbilical cord, like ngey'bhono zabo, with their sacral chakra, meaning nje la esibhonweni phansi kwesibhono, you'll just feel ngathi uyadonseka or something, because of this part of your body is very much important. I mean, when you're in your mother's belly, udla ngesibhono. Nawe kusasa mawuthwele ingane udla ngesibhono. Anything, you can be attacked via your umbilical cord chakra, via isibeletho sakho, especially us as women. Even guys, like when you're having intercourse, people can steal your underwear, or you can sleep with the wrong person and then akumoshe nje by just sleeping with you and messing up isibeletho sakho, basically. So you'd hear people complaining, I am feeling pains, I am feeling this, I'm feeling that. I also have that, but because of I'm prayerful and I'm a kehla, they keep me up to date. They tell me that if you're experiencing these pains, that's another form of communication. But it's because of the type of person you are, uzoba vele nenkinga, mhlawumbe ube nenkinga yesibeletho, ayikuthi awungeke ukuzala, but you just have these severe pains, or your period pains are just going to be that hectic, azoba buhlungu, because of isithunywa bakwethu, umoya ophila ngaphakathi kuwena. Umuphakama. There are a lot of things that are going to happen within you. And into engibona esikhathini esiningi abantu, they would think ukuba nesithunywa, you need to do something outside, like the physical. Lento ukuthi uyahanjiswa uyemphophomeni, ufake emanzini uditshe. That's another way of doing it, but the real work must just literally happen inside, and you opening your heart, because of ukuvula inhliziyo, ukuvuma ngaphakathi, uyawavumela lamandla ukuthi aphakama. Uma ungakawavumeli, then you'll always feel pains. Ulokho ukhala ukuthi nginepeni kanje, ngiphethwe ikhanda kanje, kukanje nakanje. Because sometimes when I feel pains and I'm in my home, what I do is I would literally take ingubo zami zokuthandaza and just wear them, and then all of a sudden the pain is gone, and then I'm just like, oh, or maybe was I supposed to just put on my clothes and all of that. Sometimes mangakhona ukulala, I would literally get ingubo zami, iphika zami, ngigqoke, ngizibona ngilala zwing. It's another way of them communicating with you. It was even worse. Masangiphathwa yinyawo. Every day when I go to sleep, hayibo inyawo ziba buhlungu. Kabe ngiyibuza ukuthi kahle yini lengaka abayifuna. Kanti some pains that you experience in your body, it's not necessarily that uyagadla, but your people are communicating with you. They really want your attention. They really want you to do things. So you need to open your heart so that you are able to receive all the information ekumele ukuthi uyithole. Impilo yesithunywa is a very beautiful life because of you are alert, you know about your life, you know about your surroundings, you know about everything that is happening. It just needs you to just stay prayerful. Hlala uhlezi ukhulekile. Your body is God's temple. When you enter into spaces ezingekho right, your body will tell you. When you communicate nabantu abasebenzisa imithi, let's say lo muntu ugeza ngomuthi or kukhona nje umuthi ostrong osebenzisayo, you'll just feel your head nje, yabona nje, you feel that thing, it's, you know, and you'll instantly know what there is something wrong with this person or with the environment that you've entered, because of your body has alerted you. Should you stay in that space, or should you be talking to that person? No, move away from them, move away from that space. Do not have a communication with them, because let me tell you something, if you stay there, English is it has fun. Hey, this is wrong. So you necessarily don't want that for yourself. So to the people who are starting ukukhuleka ingilosi zawo ziyaphakama vula inhliziyo uyeke ukusaba uNkulunkulu akasiphanga umoya wokusaba uyeke nje ukusaba ukhuleke uqinisele ukhuleke. I know when this extraordinary power shows up and comes out of you uyathuka vele ukuthi ayibo nami when I started I was like, is that my voice? It was just, shocking. But when you start opening your heart, uvula inhliziyo, amandla, umvele nqungu, akuthwese wona, ayaphakama, ayacaca, and you learn to accept. And the most beautiful thing about it is that you get to understand how they operate, and you are able to control. You just step out. I'll be right. That's why every time when you encounter someone who will make you feel, you just move away from those people because of you don't know what's going to happen next. And within yourself, you just pray and say, God, protect me. God, imanami because of wherever langi corner, I'm just feeling all sorts of things. Other than that, I love you so much, guys. Stay blessed.